LED Flexible Crystal Film Display Installation Guide. Tools and Materials Preparation. Step 1. Clean the glass. Dampen a lint-free cloth with special cleaner or alcohol. Wipe the installation area until it's free of water stains and impurities. Step 2. Accurate positioning and screen fixing. Use a spirit level to mark horizontal and vertical lines for the installation frame. Wear gloves throughout installation. Spray water. Scrape dry. Remove the screen protective film. Then spray evenly again. Note: keep the screen power box area dry. Place the screen along the marked lines, and press firmly at the power box first. Then spray water evenly, and scrape along the water flow until no bubbles remain. Install the remaining screen in the same way. Note: leave gaps around the screen to ensure all water can be fully scraped out. Spray, scrape, spray, peel, attach, spray, scrape. Step 3. Power box and circuit installation. Face the cables outward. Plug the receiving card inside the power box into the screen connector and fasten it tightly. Connect adjacent receiving cards with network cables and power cords. Arrange cables, close the cover, align holes and fasten with screws. Install the remaining power boxes in the same way. Note: keep the arrow directions of all receiving cards consistent. Finally, connect the network cable of the playback box and the screen power supply.